Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2012 Yamaha YZF-R6 Raven edition. This 600cc sport bike has just a little under 5,600 miles on it and is in excellent condition. Doesn't show any signs that it's been tipped over or laid down, but does have a few minor scuffs on it here and there. So let's take our walk around. I'll show you the highlights and what I've seen on it, and then we'll fire it up. The bike comes with a dark tinted windscreen, and as you can see there's a few little scuffs on here. Tires on it are in excellent condition, got plenty of miles left on this front one. Comes with flush mount front blinkers. We've got a few minor scuffs here and there on the tank. And a mark here on the tail section, looks like some boot marks. This bike does come with a fender eliminator along with an integrated tail. As you can tell by the back tire, that's in excellent condition, got a lot of miles left on that. Like here we've got a couple of little scuffs on the tail. So, like I said, no down damage, just some minor scuffs here and there. Excuse me. And again, flush mount front blinker. So, a few accessories, but not loaded up yet. Plenty more to do for the new owner. $55.59 is what's on it. This R6 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and your accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.